to clickmyproject.com.
Quality of service oriented access point selection framework for large Wi-Fi network. Abstract. In this, we address the problem of access point selection in large Wi-Fi networks. For that, we place SDN controller to perform the quality of service that will analyze the transmission time and bandwidth. The size of the network is fixed and amount of the traffic can be predicted. We propose a dynamic AP selection approach implemented in a centralized framework based on the SDN concept, in which the controller managing the Wi-Fi network selects the most suitable AP for a specific application. The proposed approach is based on a novel AP selection algorithm that calculates and assigns a performance metric to each access point called a fittingness factor, which is a function addressing the suitability of available spectrum resources to the application requirements. This is a flow for this project. First one is registration and login. If it is a new user, it will go to the registration. After that, it will be logged. Then file choose. File choose is which the file user want to send it to another receiver. Then file split. It is a selected file will be splitted here, which is considered as packets. Then SDN controller. SDN controller will maintain all the details of network channel name, transmission time, bandwidth, and file packets. It is that use will send the splitted packets and receiver will receive that. An SDN controller is an application in software defined networking that manages flow control to enable the intelligent networking. SDN controller are based on protocol such as OpenFlow that allows servers to tell switches where to send packets. Next one is channel selection, that is network selection, through which network the user want to send the file. Then send packets, it is a file sending, and receive packets. Here receiver will receive the packets, and then merge, that is received file packets will be merged here, and then decrypted and view. Here file encrypted file will be decrypted and viewed. And quality of service. Quality of service is an advanced feature that prioritizes internet traffic for application. Ethernet LAN ports are specified MAC address to minimize the impact of busy bandwidth. Now I'm going to run this. Quality of service oriented access point selection framework for large Wi-Fi networks. Click on it. This is your login page. Click submit. It will go to the registration page. Give any sample values. And give your password. Click OK. Now it will be authenticated. Give your ID here and give your password here. Then submit. Login successful. It will go to the file choose page. This is your file choose page. Choose your file here. Click on browse. Select your document. You can view your document by click on view content and encrypt. Your file will be encrypted. Here execution time of encryption process will be calculated here. Then next, enter the file name, which name you want to split your file. Enter the number of splitted file and click on split. Again give the number, then OK. Your file will be splitted. These are your splitted packets, that is EA1.txt and that is EA2.txt. Then give next. It is the channel selection frame. Click on that. select your network. That may be a network 2 or network 1. Select your network and select your file packets, then send. Run on network 1. Receive your file here. Your file will be received here, and select another packet, then send. Receive your file here. You have received your file. We can see the name changes. Then merge your file. Your encrypted file will be merged here. Then decrypt. Your file will be decrypted. Your original text will be displayed here. Then click view on quality service. This is your quality analysis that may contain file name, splitted files, channel name, transmission time and bandwidth. File name is your sended file. Then split files is your splitted packets number. Then channel name is which network you selected. Then transmission time, the total received transmission time. Then bandwidth. Thank you.